Welcome to our video about the fascinating world of Pokemon and their placement on the Tree of Life. Today, we take a closer look at Jynx and its connection to Hitmonchan Pokemon. Ready? Let's go. Macaques, Macaca, singular macaque, are a genus of primates belonging to the family of Old World monkeys, Cercopithecidae. The genus comprises 25 species, all of which are native to Asia, except for the Barbary macaque. These animals are primarily frugivorous and live in social groups. Some well-known species, such as the rhesus macaque and the crab-eating macaque, live close to humans and are widespread, while others, especially island endemics, are threatened in their populations. Macaques are medium-sized primates with stocky bodies and strong limbs. Their dense fur is usually grayish-brown, but can also be nearly black. Their faces are hairless and feature a forward-projecting snout, strong predator-like teeth, a powerful jaw, and a prominent nose with closely set, short nostrils. Some species have distinctive caps on their heads or beard-like facial hair. An important distinguishing feature is the length of the tail. The Barbary macaque is tailless. Some species, such as the Japanese macaque or the bear macaque, have only a stubby tail, while others, like the crab-eating macaque, have tails as long as their bodies. Macaques reach a head-body length of 40 to 76 centimeters and a weight of 2.5 to 18 kilograms, with males often weighing about half as much again as females. The Tok macaque of Sri Lanka is considered the smallest, while the Tibetan macaque is the largest. The distribution of macaques stretches from Afghanistan through South and Southeast Asia, as far as Timor, and China to Japan. The only non-Asian species is the Barbary macaque, which lives in North Africa and on Gibraltar. Thus, aside from humans, macaques have the widest geographic range of any primate. The crab-eating macaque occurs farther southeast than any other non-human primate, and the Barbary macaque is the only one found in Europe. The island of Sulawesi, Celebes, is particularly rich in species, hosting 6 endemic macaque species. Several species have also been introduced to various regions around the world. Macaques are diurnal animals. They are skilled climbers, but spend at least part of their lives on the ground. While they prefer forested areas, they inhabit a wide variety of habitats. Their adaptable lifestyle ranges from rainforest dwellers to mountain inhabitants. The Japanese macaque lives in the snowy mountains of Japan and has, alongside humans, the northernmost range of any primate. Some species, such as the rhesus macaque, have even established large populations in urban environments. Macaques live in groups that can range in size from 10 to over 100 individuals. These groups typically consist of 3 to 4 times as many females as males, although there are also all-male groups. Within the group, hierarchies exist among both males and females. Young males leave their group upon reaching sexual maturity, while young females remain. Territorial behavior is not strongly developed. Sometimes multiple groups share a territory for foraging. A wide variety of vocalizations and mutual grooming serve as means of communication and social interaction. Like most Old World monkeys, macaques are omnivores, though they prefer plant-based food. For many species, fruit forms the main component of their diet. In addition, they consume leaves, seeds, flowers, and in cooler regions, also bark and pine needles. Occasionally, they eat animal matter such as insects, bird eggs, crustaceans, and small vertebrates. Along coastal areas, they also feed on shellfish, which they open using stones as tools. Macaques belong to the tribe of baboon-like monkeys, Papioninae, where they form the subtribe Macacina, which stands in contrast to the other subtribe, Papionina. A total of 25 species are recognized, which can be grouped into 6 clusters. The Pegai and Cyberroot macaques were formerly classified together as Mentawai macaques. The northern and southern pig-tailed macaques were also considered a single species until recently. The Arunachal macaque was first scientifically described in 2004. In 2015, the white-cheeked macaque was recognized as a distinct species, followed in 2022 by the Salam macaque, currently the most recently described species. Green monkeys, Chlorocebus, are a genus of primates in the family Cercopithecidae. They are widespread across much of sub-Saharan Africa and are partly terrestrial. They live in large, mixed-sex groups with complex social hierarchies and are omnivorous. Their fur appears short and gray-green on the upper side, while the underside and the hair ring around the face are whitish-yellow. The face itself is hairless and black. Green monkeys reach a head body length of 40 to 60 centimeters, with an additional tail length of 30 to 70 centimeters, and weigh around 3 to 7 kilograms. Males are slightly larger than females. This genus is native to all of sub-Saharan Africa, with a range extending from Senegal through Ethiopia to South Africa. The western green monkey also lives on St. Kitts and other Caribbean islands, where it was introduced by humans in the 16th century. Unlike true guenons, 6 species of green monkeys are not primarily forest dwellers, but prefer open habitats such as savannas. However, they need to drink daily and are therefore dependent on water sources, meaning they are never found far from rivers or lakes. They are not particularly picky about their habitat, but avoid overly dense forests and completely treeless areas. An exception is the Dryas monkey, which inhabits the Congo Basin. Although they are capable climbers, green monkeys are mostly ground dwellers that cover long distances on foot. They are diurnal, especially active in the early morning and late afternoon or early evening. They live in large groups consisting of a few males, many females, and their offspring, with group sizes reaching up to 80 individuals. Group hierarchy plays an important role. Dominant males and females have priority access to food and are often groomed by subordinate animals. While young males must leave the group upon reaching sexual maturity, females remain and sometimes take on the roles of their mothers. Green monkeys are territorial animals, with each group claiming an area of about 0.1 to 1 km². They use a wide range of vocalizations to warn other groups away from their territory, alert others to predators, or locate fellow group members. Their natural enemies include big cats, baboons, jackals, hyenas, birds of prey, and large snakes. Green monkeys are omnivores, though their diet mainly consists of grasses and fruits. Occasionally, they also consume insects and small vertebrates. In the past, green monkeys were classified under the genus of true guenons, Cercopithecus. However, differences in body structure and lifestyle led to their reclassification into their own genus, Chlorocebus. Originally, all green monkeys were grouped into a single species, the green monkey, Chlorocebus aethiops, synonym Cercopithecus aethiops. This was later divided into 6 distinct species. In 2020, the Dryas monkey, Chlorocebus dryas, previously considered part of the true guenons, Cercopithecus, was reassigned to the genus Chlorocebus. It holds a basal position and, unlike the savanna-dwelling older species, is found in 2 small regions of the Congolese rainforest. That's it for now. In the next episode, we take a closer look at Pinsir and its surprising connection to all butterfly Pokemon. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and check in next time.